Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apartments.com affiliate program for rental lead conversions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Apartments.com. Once the website loads, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the link or section labeled Affiliate Program. Click on the Affiliate Program link to be redirected. You should now see information about the Apartments.com affiliate program. Look for the option to log in to your affiliate account. If this is your first time, you may need to create an account. Find and click on the Sign Up button if needed. Fill in the required information to create your affiliate account. Once you have an account, return to the login page. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated area. Double-check your information to ensure it's correct. Click the Login button to access your affiliate dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Look for the section that provides your unique affiliate links. These links are crucial for tracking your rental lead conversions. Explore the available marketing materials provided by the program. Use these resources to promote Apartments.com effectively. Ensure you have your tracking tools set up for success. Check the Analytics section to monitor your performance. Review your lead conversions regularly to optimize your strategies. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section or contact support. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Apartments.com affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.